Hello everyone. I'd like to ask you a question. How often do you use Excel? If you are already into your professional life or your career, and especially you are into business, you can never run far from this handy software. You must be using it daily for your charts, for your graphs, for your reports and all. Especially if you are in a managerial position, you can never be far from it. But how will you do at it? How well aware are you with the power of this tool? In this video, I have just given the glimpse of what can be done in Excel, except for a regular job you have been doing, creating reports and all things. If you want to truly work efficiently and improve your working and give your best in your work to impress the boss, maybe some of you will help you out to use the Excel with full power and relieve its full potential. Let's see. I have just created the to-do list in the Excel. It might be handy for you, and let's see how it works. Okay, let's go to the video.
Here we do have a simple to-do list created in Microsoft Excel. You have different features. You can add comments, you can add task name, you can have due date and the status. If the status is completed, it highlights green. If the status is pending, it gets to red. And if it passed the due date, it gets to red. You can add the new text. If the due date is today, it gets to yellow. If you are past the due date, then it's highlighted as red. Yellow and red are highlighted only if the status is pending or not marked as completed, as you can see. But once it is marked as completed, any task name, if it is marked as completed, then it turns into green. You can see. So this is just a preview of what can be done in the Excel. If you want to make your own to-do list, as I have shown now, you can comment me and I will come with the tutorial video. Please like and subscribe for upcoming videos and support us.